According to a McKinsey report, employees spend about 2 hours a day searching for and gathering relevant information. One large investor spoke with Bain and said that their analysts were spending a full day screening through deals against investment criteria and found that Gen AI could reduce that from a full day to just 1 hour. So I have Elisa here, who is our product manager at deepset, and she's going to show us how deepset Cloud can help you extract predefined information from your data sets using and leveraging LLMs.
Thanks, Louise. Exactly. Imagine a day in the life of a private equity analyst. Let's call her Becky. Becky and her company have been given access to a private data room as they are just about to consider investing in a grocery delivery business. The data room contains hundreds of documents, hundreds of pages long. Becky has to go through these documents, extract the relevant info that she needs against her firm's set of standard investment criteria, analyze it, and prepare an investment memo for her committee. This process is super time-consuming, super manual, and super tedious.
Yeah, Lisa, I can see how time-consuming this can be for Becky, but how can deepset Cloud help her out to leverage LLMs to speed up this process?
Sure. So deepset Cloud is a development platform that helps you leverage the power of LLMs to build tailor-made applications for your use cases. To help Becky extract all the information that she needs, we have developed a special pipeline and a special workflow. Imagine that all the files that Becky needs from her data room have already been uploaded to deepset Cloud. So what we're going to do is to run an extraction job to help Becky with extracting all the relevant info from her data room. So she can upload all the information that she would like to extract. For example, it might be investment criteria, questions about revenue, strategy, industry. She can then select a pipeline, and deepset Cloud has developed several different pipelines really tailor-made for your use cases, leveraging all the most best-in-class LLMs, and then just run her extraction. And what she will get is a series of results with all the answers that she needs for her memo. She might have information about the company, the team, the industry, all the different revenue figures, all in minutes rather than hours.
Oh, no, this is amazing. And the answer that it's giving us here, it's not just extracting that answer from a document, it's actually generating its own answer based on that question and the documents.
Yeah, exactly. It's actually using the LLMs to generate the answer. So we can also have a look at exactly the kind of documents that were used to retrieved by the LLM in order to generate this answer. And we're using a bit of prompt engineering to really get that answer in a short form way, which is, maybe more appropriate for someone like Becky, who wants to basically take this info and downstream put it in an investment memo for her investment committee.
Well, this was amazing, Elisa. Thank you so much for showing us the jobs feature here. And I know it's going to be saving analysts like Becky so much time. I mean, she can process a lot more information faster and focus her time on higher impact work. And Becky's firm, I know, will benefit tremendously from being able to analyze and execute on these deals faster, giving them a much stronger competitive edge in the marketplace. So if you and your firm or your team is looking to extract information very quickly and in an efficient manner, feel free to reach out to our team here at deepset, and I'd love to show you all the features that deepset Cloud has to offer. All right, talk soon.